For the past few years, we've always been wanting to make something special and memorable to share with the people of Abra and everyone. Something of a tradition everyone will be looking forward to each year.
And this year, finally, we've decided to turn those ideas into reality.
I am Tina Morados.
And I am Gael Papillon, and we welcome all of you to Pamora's first ever Beer and BBQ Oktoberfest.
Welcome to Beer and Barbecue!
Pamora's Beer and BBQ Oktoberfest will be an annual celebration of Pamora's dedication to our craft, a tribute to one of the founders of Pamora, Gerard Papillon, and an acknowledgement to all the people who has helped us build a company that goes beyond being just another organization, but a family who works together to bring the highest quality of free-range chicken products from our farm to your table.
We are glad to see you here and we hope to see you again in the years to come. Ala po syen!
For us to breathe, wala kung hindi puno lang. So, kung yung iba nagkakat ng puno, nobody can stop us to plant trees! Parang feeling ko nasa akin yung kaluluwa ni Gina Lopez.
Beer and BBQ Oktoberfest.
And in turn, this is our way of expressing our love for you, for your greater glory.